Okay, so there we have it, chaps. That's the new arrival, and yeah, I think I'll be able to use some of the bits for it, like this part here. It's going to be very useful, and maybe even the whole bit actually, to help with the windscreen wipers, and possibly that's a bit dodgy, but who knows. The wings are shot, the door is sagging terribly because it's rotten. Needs lifting and putting in. The trim regarding the dashboard looks in pretty good condition. It's a manual gearbox, it's got original seats. There's quite a lot of old spares come with it. This came from Smith's of Bloxham. There's another gauge there, some bumpers, some other lights and trim and stuff. So she's fully laden except for the the wing, yeah, and obviously I don't know what they're trying to do there, but yeah, some weird stuff. So that's good. We can use the bonnet, the boot lid. This, from what I'm looking at, it looks good. Guess I'll have to remove this trim to see. The rear lights look nice as well. The rear panel doesn't look too bad from where I'm looking. Also the trim, that chrome trim, is good. One of the rear arches is better than the others. So this rear arch does actually look better than Kate's. But I've ordered repair panels anyway. Nice little bumper. What else has she got on there? Yeah, that's a rotten arch. Obviously original wheels. I think original wheels. Door cards are gone. It's got the mirror, which is good. I can use that. It's got the rear parcel shelf looks pretty good too. Door cards, etc. in the back, but I don't like the colour. Lining looks beautiful. Headlining. Dashboard is obviously not the GT, because ours is a 4-pot dash. This is a 2-pot dash. The parcel shelf looks good as well. And so that's that. Let's have a look and see if we can get the engine, to see the engine. Is this gonna open? Yes, another saggy door, like really saggy door. Now where is the bonnet release thing? Can't even remember where the bonnet release is it? How do you open a bonnet in one of these? I should know, shouldn't I? I don't know, in all honesty. Is it going to open? No. It won't open. How do you open the flipping bonnet? Oh dear, these doors aren't going to be attached for much longer. It's got an ignition barrel. It's got a manual choke as well, look at that. But where is... There it is. Okay. Right. Got to finger it right now. I don't know how to do that. Come on, mate. There it is. Is that it? I don't know, is it? No. Yes, come on. No, let me put the phone down, hang on. Come on, you little sucker. Yeah, it should be here, but it's so rusty. It won't move. we go. Okay. Okie dokie. There we go. Let me see if I can get that freaking clip on. There we go. Okay. Good. So, what's that then? 1600 HC. High compression. Is that what that means? This is a crossflow, isn't it? Or is it a pre-crossflow? Looks like a pre-crossflow motor, doesn't it? Huh. Wonder if this thing freaking turns. Anyway. Be good to see if it turns, isn't it? Yes. Well, I can see the cranks turning. Well, it will turn. Also, we can use a brake servo potentially. Steering rack. Sorry, steering column. We can use the... Oh, is the bulkhead any good? If the bulkhead's good, that saves us a bit of money on other panels as well. Bulkhead looks better. There's a hole there. But the bulkhead does look better. The lower bulkhead looks better than the one we've got. Okie dokie. And also the windscreen wiper motor. You see, there's a lot of things that we need for Kate that this car has, which is why I thought I'd fork out and pay for it to use it as a donor car. So I'm gonna have it'd be interesting to see if that engine does turn. It looks ancient. I mean, the whole car's ancient. I don't know what year it is. It's a pre-facelift though, so it's got to be what, 70 DNV 382K. So Kate's reg, I can't remember what Kate's reg is. Anyway, I'm chuffed with this. I hope you are too. Got a nice little runner. I mean a non-runner. So spot on. Oh, might do a will it start video next. Do you fancy seeing a will it start video? Let us know.